Last Friday, I did something that honestly terrified me a little bit. I took my entire paycheck and put it into silver. Here it is. So let's get this open. Absolutely beautiful. That is a 10-ounce silver bar. I know prices are high now, but last week I thought I might regret waiting any longer. You might remember the whole week before I made this purchase, silver had been moving upward, and everywhere I looked, inflation fears, people said silver could keep pushing much higher from here. So since that order, the spot price moved almost $10 higher, and I honestly started feeling relieved for the first time in weeks. Then silver suddenly dropped to around $3, and all those feelings of confidence disappeared almost overnight. That emotional swing has honestly been exhausting for me because I'm realizing how quickly this market can change direction. One minute I'm staring at my stack feeling smart and relieved because prices moved higher right after I bought. Then the next minute I'm sitting there refreshing silver charts, wondering if I just bought into another emotional spike right before a pullback. And maybe experienced stackers are used to this kind of volatility by now, but I'm definitely not. I still feel every move emotionally because I'm just a regular person working a regular job, trying to make careful financial decisions without fully understanding all the forces moving this market every single day. That's the part one don't think enough people talk about. People online love talking about silver when prices are rising because everything feels exciting and obvious during those moments. Everyone sounds confident. Everyone suddenly has bold predictions. Everyone acts like silver only moves in one direction forever. But when prices suddenly reverse even a little bit, the entire emotional atmosphere changes immediately. Suddenly people become uncertain again. Suddenly everybody starts debating whether inflation reports, interest rates, or economic fears are about to crush metals lower. And honestly, trying to process all of that while raising my child alone feels overwhelming sometimes. I'm not a professional trader sitting at a desk studying charts all day. I don't have some advanced economics background where I naturally understand how treasury yields work. Inflation, I have a general idea, but I am just trying to figure this out. I'm just somebody trying to build a little financial security through silver stacking because part of me worries constantly about the future and whether regular savings alone will actually protect people anymore. So when silver swings $10 higher and then suddenly loses $3 right afterward, I feel that emotionally in a very real way because that wasn't extra money sitting around casually. That was my paycheck. That was overtime hours and budgeting and skipped purchases all rolled into one decision. And now I'm sitting here trying to decide whether I should put another paycheck into silver soon, while dealers keep warning me that upcoming inflation data could move the market sharply again. Part of me feels tempted to buy more if prices keep pulling back because lower prices sound attractive emotionally. But another part of me feels scared that maybe silver could fall even harder if the inflation report spooks traders next week. I actually called my local dealer because I needed somebody to explain what was happening in a way that made sense to me. And honestly, instead of making me feel calmer, the conversation somehow made me feel even more overwhelmed afterward. He explained that traders are heavily focused on upcoming CPI inflation data because inflation numbers can influence expectations about future interest rates. If inflation comes in hotter than expected, markets may believe rates stay elevated longer, and that can pressure silver lower in the short term. But then he also explained that if inflation cools more than expected, Silver could suddenly bounce higher again because traders may start expecting easier monetary policy later. And hearing both sides at the same time honestly scrambled my brain a little bit. Because how am I supposed to know which outcome the market will focus on more? That's what keeps frustrating me about silver lately. Every bullish argument seems to come with an equally believable bearish argument attached to it, right? They say inflation can supposedly help silver because hard assets tend to perform better when currencies weaken over time. But inflation can also hurt silver if it keeps rates elevated longer. Economic weakness can support metals because people move towards safer assets during uncertainty. But economic weakness can also pressure industrial demand for silver lower at the same time. After a while, it starts feeling like silver is emotionally connected to every possible outcome all at once. And maybe that's why volatility feels so stressful for smaller stacks, because there's never just one thing moving prices anymore. Silver reacts to inflation data, Federal Reserve expectations, bond markets, the dollar, and industrial demand. One headline pushes prices higher in the morning, another headline reverses everything by afternoon. And meanwhile, regular people like me are left trying to figure out whether we're buying smart pullbacks or getting trapped in emotional market swings. That uncertainty has honestly made me second guess myself constantly lately, especially because I already struggle with confidence regarding financial decisions in general. Every time silver rises sharply, I worry I'll regret not buying more. Then every time silver drops quickly afterward, I worry I already bought too aggressively. It feels like my emotions are getting dragged around by the market every single day because the moves have become so extreme lately. And maybe part of that is because silver prices are already historically elevated compared to where they were not that long ago. My dealer recently reminded me that a surge like we had, silver reaching its all-time high, that kind of move naturally creates bigger emotional reactions because expectations become amplified when prices run this far, this fast. Buyers become more emotional during rallies because nobody wants to feel left behind. Then once volatility appears, fear suddenly spreads just as quickly in the opposite direction. I think that emotional instability is what's making me hesitate most about putting another paycheck into silver right now. Because part of me still believes in why I started stacking in the first place. I still believe physical silver represents something tangible in a world that feels increasingly uncertain financially. I still believe inflation and economic instability matter long term. But at the same time, these violent short-term swings have made me realize how emotionally difficult this market can become once prices start moving aggressively. And honestly, I don't think I was prepared for that part.